APHLC Amreng Constituency Committee laben Rong Chijeng APHLC Booth Committee atum Chelangsi Son Thoma Puthak Phirangkia Mai Kipha Somsi Rong Kerage along BJP poster Ketar Amreng Constituency along ex-president Rajesh Phangcho Robinson Ronghang Amreng Constituency along organizing secretary lapen Rong Chijeng APHLC Booth Committee along president Robin Phangcho tum BJP along Chipa Ogdun Amreng Constituency along ex-president Rajesh Phangcho alangli ke damtang jail ke jangahut APHLC pen tangka maha pen chenglok thangnata chirabdun de puwa puthak lamklar ki pithu
ke damtang elitu maphan ikya bangphu Rajesh Phangcho alangli elitu maphan penang anak ki melam nang phan pen nona bang alangli along ka prek alang mithang jongjong ali phana ka prek a political party along dam juilo Woi fit stamme non elitum dak number 9 Amreng constituency along paduk rapet songjap ki pechol sialong paduk nai atum apan an stamme kapachini jalam thela son helana litum kaduk ageta ning alangli presiden akhi hai dak pendam juya pot ki claim ningar oi ruilo la sonbang mathanang ne athe alangli kidam tang 2023 and July 28 arni alangli di furong sepian ke dam alangli kopilon na bahagi lang no join ni tan alangli rai komsai khitum long chingnang chek lo lapen la sop phida langli hem kang samolong dolo lapen la sop phita menil tum APHLC party ban kerabdun bom ma phit sam alangli non chekloyan trok phi hem wang dera phi bang alangli lahai kerap cheteng ni thaipen alang mithang akeng tong khachar henga sam alangli claim lo
APHLC party ke kisung ki tum pan lang chekhi bungar poke nelitum chair judaming tungte kathman nelitum je kongduan pen kisung pude tum pan rapom lo emme ki cholong samenitum akhi tigan pen rabdun bom lo lapenalang li kisung ki phohu samene tum je kongduan pen serabdun lo
News report Carbing Long Life